Hi everyone, Zach from Stryker Toy Haulers. Today we're standing in front of a Stryker 2816 model, and we wanted to share a couple great features on this floor plan with you. This model, the 2816, has our largest garage, so it's 16 feet 4 inches on this model. Really can accommodate a whole host of toys with that garage size. And then up in the front bedroom on this model, this is our only model with a wardrobe slide out, so we get a little extra space in the bedroom as well as extra storage. All right guys, come on, let's go take a look. All right guys, we're standing here next to the fuel station on a Stryker 2816 toy hauler. Just like all of our Stryker models, they come equipped with a 30-gallon fuel station and the fuel pump, so we could share that 30 gallons between the optional generator and fueling up your toys. This is just an awesome, convenient feature to have. Saves you from making trips to the fuel station. Great feature to have. Let's go take a look at the inside now. All right, now we're inside this amazing Stryker 2816 toy hauler. This has got a great feel inside here. As I mentioned, we've got a 16-foot 4-inch garage, so this particular floor plan is gonna fit the largest of today's toys. We've got the optional rear patio on this floor plan. That's the only optional feature you're gonna see. Everything else in the Stryker is standard. We've got a Happy Jack system here in the back with 2 sofas that'll make into a queen bed as well as a queen bed above, so plenty of sleeping capabilities. Stryker's equipped with 5,000-pound D-ring tie-downs to secure your toys. We've also got a beaver tail entry on the ramp here and an 8-foot ramp door on all Stryker toy haulers. Your load of angle to enter is very easy with that ramp size and beaver tail floor. So now we're in the bedroom of the Stryker 2816 toy hauler to show you the other awesome feature this floor plan has that's unique to this model, and that's this wardrobe slide. Storage is at a premium in any RV, and especially in the bedroom, so we've added this large wardrobe slide with mirrors, as you can see, to give you extra hanging space or whatever space you need in your bedroom. Thanks everyone for taking a look at the Stryker 2816 toy hauler with us today. For more information, please go to cruiserrv.com or check out this and all the other Stryker models at your local dealer.